Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so the program chairs wanted me to say a little bit about the teaching committee, which is the body behind FMT. We organized this also in 2019 in Porto and this year here. So let me see if I can share my screen. Yeah, I think this one. So this is the web page of our teaching committee. You can find it if you Google FME Teaching Committee. So we started in 2017 with the main objective of supporting teaching formal methods in whatever form. And you can see here that we had we started from this abstract goal, but we also had to have some more practical goals. We didn't get to all of them, like having some summer schools. We didn't find a good form for them. Or we wanted to have case studies and secured repository just for teacher of exam exercises. And now after listening to Laura, maybe there is a way forward with this. We have to investigate more. So there are a lot of things that we are working on, but let me just show you what we did do. And one thing is this event that we have all been part of today. This has been organized in various forms also before, but the newer versions are from 2019 and 2021. And I just want to take advantage of this and really congratulate and thank the PC chairs for their great effort. I think it went great today. And then, well, we also have had this objective of having a collection of, so we wanted to see what courses do people teach in formal methods. And the web page, the database of courses is online, and we have 78 courses at the moment, and it's searchable. So you can look for various things. You can see Carol Morgan's course here. I think Cliff Jones also has something here. You can enter your course here. So if you have a formal methods course and it's not in the database yet, you can enter it here. You have to add some information, choosing some concepts and tools. And if we don't provide what you need here, you after pushing submit, you can write your own concepts and tools. And it's a great resource, we think. And more than that, what we do, we check periodically if all these courses are still relevant, because there was some effort some 10 years ago or 15 years ago to gather all the courses. As you can imagine, things change. So courses don't stay put. All universities change their curriculum, teachers leave, others come. And this year we checked partially, but maybe until the end of the year, we managed to check all the courses. So we checked that many of them are still, you can see here, the ones that are checked have a review date associated. And finally, what I wanted to show you is the tutorials that we are organizing. This was Briesh Dongol's idea, and we were very happy when he formulated. It was one of those things that when somebody formulates it, you realize it's a great idea, but until somebody actually puts it in words, you never thought of it before. So what we wanted to do with these tutorials is to have an online event monthly in which somebody tells a little bit about their experience with how they teach formal methods. And the point is to record this, to have them online via Zoom independently of the pandemic, and to record and save the presentations here on the site. And we have started in September with Sandrine, who was talking about Y3, and the recording is here, so you can already access it. And in October, we had actually Ran, who was also talking today. He had 1 hour talking about how to use Daphne to prove Cantor's theorem, a pumping lemma, and it was great. I have the recordings, but I haven't put them on the web yet, so I just sent them today to Ren. And then in November, we thought since we have FMT, it would be too much effort to organize something else. And then in December, we have David Pearce from New Zealand talking about Wiley. And usually we try to organize this at the end of the month, last Friday of the month, but it's not a stone set rule. So because of Christmas and New Year, this will be earlier. So December 10, this is in about 3 weeks, I think. And it will be 9 a.m. CET because we are 12 hours difference to David. So for him, it will be 9 p.m. So yeah, and it's the Zoom coordinates are here. And if you want to receive announcements about this, we started by sending emails to all the email lists that we could think of. But then we came with a better idea, and you can subscribe to this list. There is an automatic way to do this, and we send reminders of the talks that we are going to show. So that's all for me. I give the word back to the program chairs.
Thank you very much, Luigia. So FMT has come to its end. It was a really great day. We had very interesting talks and engaging discussions.